Hi guys, welcome to Unboxing with Ray Ford. For this unboxing video, as you heard in the title, we're going to be unboxing some slime. So, let's get into the time lapse. Okay guys, so we got the slime. Now, let's open it. Maybe I should have done this in the time lapse. Wait a second, guys. Time lapse happening again. Okay, guys. So now, don't mess around with scissors, guys. Just warning you, they're sharp. So now we can unbox this. Well, it's not really a box now. I mean, they call it unboxing for a reason. This doesn't look too much of a box. I mean, it kind of looks like a box, but it's totally destroyed. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay, so now we are going to open the yellow one first. Actually, nah, we'll open the orange one first. Okay. Okay. So, as you guys should see, unless you were blind, you can see that this slime is very weird, you know? Has a weird texture, but it does look pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next slime. Okay, guys, I have realized that this slimy substance, the slime, is very sticky. So, I got this to clean myself, and I also had to wash my hands in the bathroom. So, when I'm going to be touching the slime, I'm going to be touching the slime with a Lego. So, yeah, this is gonna basically be my hand touching the slime. So now, we're gonna get green. Ugh. Oh, jeez. Ugh. This green slime's kind of like, I think this green slime is it looks the same as the orange, you know? Like the orange has those balls too, you know? And so, yeah, it looks pretty nice, though. It looks the same as the orange ones, but I like it. So, we are going to touch it with the Lego. Let's see. Yeah, very sticky. Let's see. So you guys can see this. And yeah, I'm gonna go wash the Lego so the slime doesn't mix. Okay guys, I washed the Lego. So now I will put this on the box with the orange slime. And now we will continue open. So next one will be the pink one. Let's unbox the pink one. Or it's not really a box, as I said a long time ago. Not really a long time ago, but you know, before in the video. So let's see how the pink slime. Ooh, the pink slime looks different than the orange and the green slime. Doesn't have those balls. Ooh, this part I can touch with my finger without getting sticky. Look. Okay, so thankfully this pink slime isn't as messy. It's not really like, you know, it's not as messy as the orange and green. Still a bit messy, but I don't think I have to wash my hands because the slime won't mix. You can see. And yeah. So, to be honest, I like the pink slime way better than the green and orange slime. Now we're gonna put it back over here. Now we're down to the last three. Coincidentally, they're all primary. So we'll start with yellow first, even though red is the first in the rainbow. So yellow is the same as purple. To me, not too surprising, but yeah. So yeah, yellow's still got that feeling to it, but like, you know, it's got the same feeling as not purple. I've been calling it purple this whole time. Pink. But yeah, the pink, you know, it leaves some, but not too much, you know. But I'm still going to probably wash my hands because I don't want slime to mix. But yeah, this slime does feel pretty good. So yeah, we're going to put this yellow slime, as I've said a lot of times now, back over here. And now I'm going to wash this with the power of editing. Oops. That power editing didn't work, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this off screen, and once it's back on screen, it will work. It's going, guys. So, okay. I don't know which one I should do first. I'll do blue first. Okay, guys, so let's see blue. I'm thinking that red's gonna be the same as blue. The red's gonna be, it's gonna have like the same look, kind of like look as blue and feeling as blue because, you know, they're the same size. And I've noticed a pattern that when they're the same size, they're basically the same. So this blue is pretty hard, to be honest, unlike the rest of these. Yep. And when we break it, it's really, this doesn't even feel like slimy, you know? Cool and weird. Okay, let's open the red one. Okay, guys, let's open the red one. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Surprisingly, guys, it doesn't look like the same as like blue, you know? Like, it doesn't have that weird texture, and it is pretty slimy. Ugh. It kind of reminds me of blood, you know? Like, kind of feels like it. Well, not really feels like it. Not saying I'm murdered. I've murdered people. I've just felt my own blood before, but it doesn't kind of feel like blood, actually, now that I think about it. It's not like liquidy. Blood's liquid, you know. But this slime kind of feels like it, but kind of doesn't. You know? So yeah, guys, I'm going to put this back. But before I do that, I'm just going to say bye. Now it looks like I murdered somebody.